Welcome to week 22, assignment 1. What we will be doing this week is we're going to be working on transitions. Last week we worked on animations. Animations take place on one slide. It makes something move on the slide. Transitions goes from slide to slide. So, what I need you to do is I need you to go to wrong one. I need you to go to your landform photo album, which was Q3A4. So it was your photo album with animations only. We're going to be creating Q3A6, which will be your photo album with the animations that's already done, and you're going to be adding transitions. So I'm using someone's from here, and here is so this, you have your photo albums, you've used the designer, you have used your animations, so you have your animations pane if you want to see your animations. Now we're going to take and we're going to put a transition from going from this slide to this slide, and then all of the other slides as you're going. So to do that, you're going to go up here to transitions, and you're going to choose one, whichever one it may be. It will give you a preview of what it does, and that's pretty much what you do. So I can click on this and I can make it an airplane. Okay, so then when I would go to the slideshow, I'd play from the beginning. There you go. It brings it in. I click for that. I click for that. And you are adding a transition. You will do that in between each one of your slides of your photo album that has used the designer and has used animations. So at the end of this, you will have animations, transitions, designer. If you have any questions, please message me and let me know, and I will do my best to help you. And if not, I hope to see you soon.